Just press this is recording. Okay, we're gonna open the presents earlier because we
Christmas
have no
time.
patience.
Christmas time.
Christmas time.
Let's open it.
Yeah. How you open it? Let me help you. You go like this.
Yeah.
And you go like this.
Okay.
And you can read it like this. This is for Daddy from Bella from Macy's. Oh my God! What do we got here? Wee! Nice dress and pants. Oh, this is so beautiful, Bella. Look at this.
Yeah.
This is yours.
And
And you've got a nice Christmas dress. You can wear it tomorrow. Wee! Look at it. Beautiful Christmas dress.
like this.
And panties. Why, Mommy?
It's
This is
nice.
so pretty, Mama Lou.
Like,
It's nice,
and
Mama.
Mommy.
It's nice panties. Look. Now this is yours, Georgiana, from Daddy. Okay? It's yours from Daddy.
Mommy, open for her.
No, this is hers. She's opening. You open, Jana. This is yours, Mommy. Oh my God! Look how pretty is this, Jana. This is so beautiful. Oh my God!
My present.
This is so
Yeah, look.
nice. This is so pretty. Look at this, Georgiana. See her. This is so nice. That's for you, Mama Lou. This is nice.
You like this, Bella Maria?
That's mine.
Wow, this is Gianna's. Yeah. Look at this, Gianna.
Gianna.
Baby.
Yes.
Oh, my present.
Now, which one is for Mommy? This one?
Yeah, in the back.
Baby.
Baby.
This is for